On behalf of National PG College, myself, Dr. Manisha Khanna, from Faculty of Management Studies, welcome everyone. In the valedictory session scheduled for today, it is an honor to stand before you today as we conclude this enriching Atal Faculty Development Program. कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करने के लिए माँ सरस्वती की आराधना के साथ दीप प्रज्वलन के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी प्रोफेसर राकेश जैन सर, डॉक्टर शालिनी रामा मैम और डॉक्टर नीति श्रीवास्तव मैम। Shaping our academic disciplines. As educators and researchers, it is essential to stay abreast of the latest methodologies that not only enhance the rigor of our studies, but also align with the evolving needs of our diverse student populations. Throughout this program, we explored innovative qualitative and quantitative approaches, interdisciplinary strategies, and ethical considerations that are redefining how we conduct and communicate research. All this would have not been possible without the untiring efforts of a few of our coordinators. For honoring our coordinators for today, I would invite Professor Rakesh Jain sir. Actually, this is on the behalf and behest of Rakesh Jain sir that he wants to honor the most active and the most participative contributors in this workshop. Dr. Diksha Sharma, Head of Department of Banking and Finance, DBU. Collaborative environment where we shared insights, challenged assumptions, and empowered each other to advance our research endeavors. Over the past few days, we have not only deepened our academic expertise, but also built a community dedicated to the pursuit of excellence in research. All this would not have been possible without the guidance and support provided to us by our Chief Patron, Shri Ujjwal Raman Ji, Convener and Coordinator, and our Principal, Professor Deven Kumar Sir Ji, and Co-Coordinator, Professor Rakesh Jain Sir, who is Director at UAC, Head of Department English, and Director DTU KT. On the behalf of Department of Computer Science and Faculty of Management Studies, I would like to invite Dr. Shalini Lamba, HOD Department of Computer Science, and Dr. Niti Srivastava, HOD Faculty of Management Studies, to honor Sir with a moment. Time for a brief report about the FDP. The Faculty of Management Studies and Computer Science organized a week-long AICTE training and learning, that is Atal Faculty Development Program, from 30th September to 5th October 2024. The FDP titled Comprehensive Research Methodologies aim to empower faculty members from various disciplines with cutting-edge knowledge and skills in research, data analysis, and pedagogy. 49 participants registered for it, and finally, it was attended by 42 participants from various colleges and universities across Lucknow and surrounding districts. The program included theoretical and practical sessions, hands-on training, discussions on key research articles, and industrial visit to HCL. Actually, we divided these 42 participants into 10 teams. The names also we derived from Indian mythology and the Indian researchers and thinkers. Team 1 was Chanakya, Team 2 Vivekanand, Team 3 Tagore, Team 4 Aryabhat, Team 5 Maitreyi, Team 6 Gargi, Team 7 Sarabhai, Team Agastya was Team 8, Team 9 Shankaracharya, and Team 10 Nagarjuna. These teams worked on 3 articles, and on day 5, each team made a PPT presentation based on their learning outcomes. Apart from this, participants also worked on reflection journal, and assessments were also done through MCQs. A report on industrial visit was also prepared by them on the last day. Thus, the whole work was a perfect blend of individual as well as team participation. I would like to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to our resource persons and experts who have generously shared their knowledge and wisdom with us. Their expertise has illuminated our minds and challenged us to think in new and innovative ways. We are deeply indebted to all of them for their contributions. Now, a brief recap of the various sessions which were held. On day 1, that is on 30th September, Technical Session 1, the speaker was Professor Arunabha Mukhopadhyay from IIM Lucknow. The topic he dealt with was emerging trends in research and their significance. Then we had a Then we had an article discussion on evolution of research methods by Roy Ponter. In Technical Session 2, the expert was Professor Divakar Singh Yadav. The topic he taught was qualitative and quantitative analysis. Second day of FDP was 1st of October. And expert for technical session was Dr. Sailesh Kaushal, dealing with the topic research design and questionnaire design. Furthermore, in the article discussion session, we had discussion on the topic types of research design in 2024, perspective and methodological approaches. In session 2, the speaker was Professor Ravi Prakash Verma from ABS Institute of Technology, Ghaziabad, and he took a very interesting topic, ethical applications of AI in research. Day 3, 2nd October, which was also Gandhi Jayanti and birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. In the technical session 1, the expert was Professor Sashi Bhushan Ji from University of Lucknow, Department of Statistics, and the topic he took up was parametric test, followed by article discussion on the topic Introduction to Statistical Analysis. In technical session 2, a very interesting and engaging session was taken by Ms. Ritu Tandon, a faculty from Art of Living, and the topic much needed in the current time, mind management to control stress. Day 4, 3rd October. In the first session, we had the speaker Dr. Subhash Kumar Yadav from Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Lucknow, Department of Statistics. The topic he took was hypothesis, development and testing. For article discussion, we had SPSS, an imperative quantitative data analysis tool for social sciences research. This was followed by technical session 2, taken up by Professor Masood H. Siddiqui from University of Lucknow, Department of Statistics. He took up the topic non-parametric test. Day 5, 4th October. The expert for technical session 1 was Professor Rajiv Pandey, Professor Statistics Department and Dean Research, University of Lucknow, and the topic taught by him was data analysis using SPSS. Furthermore, we had a PPT presentation on the 3 articles taken up on day 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is 4 articles in sum total, and a PPT was prepared by individual teams and presented by them. In technical session 2, again, we had Professor Rajiv Pandey sir, and the topic again he taught was data analysis using SPSS. Day 6, that is the last day, which we are dealing with right now, we had an industrial visit to HCL, which is an IT consulting company, and it was followed by a summary of industrial visit, that is a report preparation by the participants, followed by assessment based on MCQ and a written summary about in the form of reflection journal. I hope I have summarized all the key points which we dealt with in the FDP. Coming on to the next agenda. Nothing is complete without the teamwork. A big round of applause to the organizing committee from Department of Computer Science and Faculty of Management Studies for the meticulous planning and seamless execution of the program. Efforts of all of them behind the scenes ensured that everything ran smoothly and created an environment which could focus on learning and growth. Without their hard work, none of this would have been possible. To present certificates to the team, I would like to invite Professor Rakesh Jain sir. I would also request Dr. Gagandeep ma'am to help us in dealing with these certificates. Dr. Nidhi Srivastava, Head of Department, Faculty of Management Studies. Both of them coordinated and managed the entire program very well. Next in line is Dr. Diksha Sharma, Head of Department, DBA. She has been our constant technical support and a very engaging interface with Atal Portal. Now the team members from the Department of Computer Science, Mr. Amit Srivastava sir, Mrs. Shweta Sinha ma'am, Mr. Rinku Raheja, Mr. Mahesh Tiwari, Mrs. Gauri Shukla. As you can see, many people are still working. I'll take a moment again. Mrs. Shweta Sinha. ये लोग अभी भी अटल पोर्टल के साथ जूझ रहे हैं, स्कैन कर रहे हैं, डेटा अपलोड कर रहे हैं. मिसेस श्वेता सिन्हा, मिस्टर महेश तिवारी, Mrs. Gauri Shukla, Now from Faculty of Management Studies, myself, Dr. Manisha Khanna. Next in line, Dr. Gagandeep Chadha. Dr. Suman Kumar Verma. Dr. Sonal Tiwari. And Dr. Sajan Kumar Singh. Thank you so much, sir. Each of the team members were allotted work from day one, which they all complete. Leadership of Professor Rakesh Jain, sir, who is also the co-coordinator of the FDP. We received invaluable guidance that significantly shaped our FDP journey. His vision for fostering a culture of excellence and innovation always encouraged us to explore new ideas and methodologies. With a steadfast commitment to our professional growth, he continuously inspired us to push boundaries and embrace contemporary research practices. His support and mentorship have been instrumental in creating an environment where collaboration and creativity thrive. It's my honor to invite Sir for a few words of encouragement for all of us. Thank you, Sir.
Good evening to everybody. Dr. Shalini Namba, Dr. Nidhi Srivastava, Dr. Diksha, all my organizing members of the organizing team, senior faculty members of the college, Dr. Ramakrishna, other participants. It is rather unfortunate that today our principal, who is the coordinator of this course, couldn't make it. He did come to the college, but he was running high fever. In spite of that, he came, but he couldn't sit and be present for the occasion. So, the responsibility of doing all these great things came on my shoulders. Thank you so much. I would like to tell you a few things, interesting things rather, because you have been really facing ordeal, particularly post-lunch sessions. But I know you would definitely carry happy memories from this college, particularly those who are not from our college. The members, the participants of the workshop from my college, they will carry happy memories outside this auditorium and definitely share these memories with other faculty members when next time we'll conduct this kind of workshop. I know you must have learned quite a lot during these 6 days, particularly last 5 days, but today's visit must have been rather different. You would have enjoyed, I know my organizing team has taken really good care of you and you have definitely given feedback, but may I request one of you, particularly someone who's not from this college, to please come and share his or her experience, what really you liked and what was missing from our side so that we may improve in future. Would anybody like to come and say something?
Yes, sir.
Please come. आइए नहीं यहीं आके बोलिए आइए
I'm Nancy Yadav, research scholar from University of Lucknow, Department of Education. First of all, a very good afternoon to respected sir, esteemed faculty member and all the fellow participants. I'm honored to share my experience for the 6-day FDP, organized by National PG College. I think the program has been a huge success in all thanks to the tireless efforts of the college faculty and staff. कि हाँ मैं प्रॉपरली खाना खा लूँ। और दूसरे दिन भी जब मैं आई तब ने शालिनी मैम, निधि मैम एंड ऑल द मेंबर्स, गौरवी मैम, दे आस्क्ड नैंसी कि तुम ठीक हो? You know, I never felt like कि मैं यहाँ का पार्ट नहीं हूँ. I always felt 6 दिन में I was part of this college. You know, the genuine concern, वो दिख जाता है कि कोई formality कर रहा है या genuinely पूछ रहा है, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. This is something I'll cherish for lifetime. And you know, every teacher over here, Manisha ma'am, Gagan ma'am, Gauravi ma'am, Shalini ma'am, Nidhi ma'am, everyone, Rinku sir, and sir also, मैं किसी का नाम भूल जाऊँ तो मुझे माफ कर दीजिएगा. Everybody, the positive energy they had, एक दूसरे के लिए इतना मतलब coordination हर टीम मेंबर के लिए, अपने साथ के लिए, this is something we all should learn. जब हम भी जॉब में जाएंगे ना तो एक टीम वर्क जो होता है वो हमने यहाँ के सीखा. और सब इतना स्माइलिंग फेस, मुझे कभी नहीं लगा कोई क्रिप कर रहा है, ये हो रहा है, एकदम एंथुसियास्टिक कि हाँ भाई क्लास चल रही है, बीच में टी ब्रेक चाहिए, निधि मैम आ जाती थी, सर टी ब्रेक. तो सब बहुत प्रॉपरली ऑर्गेनाइज था. और हम लोग भी चार्ज अप हो जाते थे जब चाय मिल जाती थी कि ठीक है वापस आना है, वी हैव टू डू आवर क्लास. सो दिस इज समथिंग यू नो आई चेरिश. और मैंने भी बहुत सीखा अपार्ट फ्रॉम रिसर्च कि कैसे हर चीज मैनेज करनी है. और स्माइलिंग फेस के साथ कि हम इतना लंबा 9 बजे आके 5 बजे तक बैठते हैं, तो उसको मतलब एक रिदम में लाना, तो यहाँ के टीचर्स ने वो बहुत ही मतलब अच्छे से किया. So lastly, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to National PG College for organizing this wonderful FDP. I hope to have the privilege of returning to this esteemed institution and participating in future workshops or FDPs. Once again, thank you everyone for this unforgettable experience. Thank you.
This was the real feedback, you know. Anyone else? कोई और आना चाहेगा? Please come.
Sir, myself Vivek Mishra, research scholar from Faculty of Management, Lucknow University. Really, first of all, I would like to express my gratitude to the National PG College that he was awarded the first opportunity to hold such type of faculty development program. And I came to know that only 2 colleges, IET and National PG College, was given the opportunity to hold such type of FDP. ये जो 6 दिन का प्रोग्राम रहा, ये I am very much overwhelmed in being among the galaxy of luminaries of National PG College and other educational institutions. Really, galaxy of luminaries, so many learned professors guided me and our participants. Really, it is so much gratitude on us that I will never forget in my life such type of occasion. गीता में भगवान कृष्ण ने अर्जुन से कहा कि नहीं ज्ञानेन सदृशम पवित्रमिह विद्यते. इस संसार में ज्ञान के समान पवित्र करने वाला कुछ भी नहीं है. और आगे अर्जुन से कहते हैं कि तुम अपने गुरुजनों के पास जाओ, उनसे प्रश्न करो, सरलतापूर्वक प्रश्न करो, वो तुम्हारी सारी शंका का समाधान करेंगे. तद वित्त परिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षति ते ज्ञानम ज्ञानिनस्तत्वदर्शिना. तो ये जो कहते हैं संत समागम, विद्वत जनों का जो हमको समागम मिला 6 दिनों में, रियली मतलब ये वाकई में लाइफ में कभी भूलने वाला ही मतलब क्षण नहीं है जो हमको यहाँ सीखने को मिला. और शायद देखिए ऐसा कि शंकराचार्य जी ने कहा था कि जीवन में 3 चीजें दुर्लभ हैं. एक तो सत्संग, अच्छे लोगों का साथ, मनुष्य, और दूसरा मनुष्य योनि में जन्म, और तीसरा मोक्ष प्राप्त की कामना, ये 3 चीजें बड़ी दुर्लभ है। तो आज हमको जो संत समागम, विद्वान लोगों का, लर्नेड पीपल का जो समागम हमें मिला, ये वाकई में हमारे मतलब ये आप लोग बहुत सौभाग्यशाली हैं जो आपको ये मौका मिला, ये ऐसी विद्वानों का संग और विद्वानों का जो गाइडेंस आपको मिला 6 दिन में। रियली मतलब आई वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू। हम इतने आपके मतलब कृतज्ञ हैं, इसको हम शब्दों में, हमारे इतने शब्द नहीं मिल रहे हैं इसके लिए करने के लिए। और हम एक अपने गुरुजनों से मतलब पैर छूकर ये विनती करते हैं कि अगर हमसे या हमारे किसी पार्टिसिपेंट की तरफ से कोई अगर त्रुटि हुई हो तो हमको क्षमा करेंगे। और हमको हम आजीवन हम नेशनल कॉलेज बहुत याद रखेंगे कि हम आगे भी आप लोगों से मतलब बीच बीच में आपसे मार्गदर्शन लेते रहेंगे, खाली रिसर्च के लिए नहीं, आगे जीवन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए। और हमको यहाँ पे और भी लोगों से संपर्क हुआ, डॉक्टर हम मतलब अभी सृजन सिंह जी से मिले, मतलब एक से एक लोग वाकई में विभूतियाँ यहाँ पे जो हमको मिली वाकई में नेशनल कॉलेज में और लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी में, वाकई में मतलब रियली मतलब आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट दिस ग्रेटिट्यूड। विद दिस वर्ड्स आई कंक्लूड माय वर्ड्स। थैंक यू।
तो नैन्सी ने मतलब बहुत अच्छे से बोला, आपने क्या नाम, कोई आना चाहते हैं प्लीज कम।
रिसर्च स्कॉलर फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ अप्लाइड इकोनॉमिक्स, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लखनऊ। जैसा कि ब्रांड नेम था नेशनल पीजी कॉलेज का, दे प्रूव दैट वेरी वेल, वन ऑफ द प्राइम एसोसिएटेड कॉलेज ऑफ लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, प्राइम मैम, एंड दे प्रूव इट वेरी वेल। एंड thanks to all the coordinator and everyone for conducting such a wonderful faculty development program. But thanks to all, but one personality that inspired me most, her discipline, her calmness and dedication, that is goes to Nidhi ma'am. Thanks to all.
About the workshop, not about the college. चलिए अब मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा हमारे कॉलेज से जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनमें से किसी एक को, और वो कॉलेज के बारे में नहीं वर्कशॉप के बारे में बताएंगे। रामकृष्ण जी आप आए।
के बारे में तो सारी चीजें बता दी, और अगर मैं कुछ कहूँ तो आपने मुझसे अपनी बड़ाई करना होगा, इसलिए क्योंकि ये आयोजन कॉलेज का है, हम लोगों का है, हम सभी लोगों का है। लेकिन निश्चित रूप से जो ये फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम है कंप्रेहेंसिव रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी पे, ये नेशनल पीजी कॉलेज के इतिहास में एक मील का पत्थर होगा निश्चित रूप से। और इस प्रकार के कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन ये सिद्ध करता है कि इसका लाभ केवल कॉलेज को नहीं मिलेगा, इसका लाभ देश को मिलेगा और देश के साथ साथ विश्व मानवता को मिलेगा। सबसे बड़ी आशा तुम्हारी इस युवा वर्ग से है जिसने इतने विद्वतापूर्ण व्याख्यानों का लाभ उठाया। कुछ बातें जिसमें उभर करके आई, चूंकि मैं तो हिंदी का विद्यार्थी था और ये पूरी मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंसी और सारी चीज़ों पे थी, तो मैं समझ रहा था मेरी कुछ समझ में आएगा नहीं समझ में आएगा। लेकिन जब मैं यहाँ आया और मैंने पहला व्याख्यान सुना प्रोफेसर अरुणोभा उपाध्याय जी, प्रोफेसर IIM लखनऊ का, तो हमने देखा उन्होंने अपनी बात का प्रारंभ ही वेदों से, पुराणों से, उपनिषदों से और ब्रह्मसूत्र से, इन चीज़ों से उन्होंने किया। और उन्होंने बताया कि एक पद्धति बताई लॉकडाउन रिसर्च की, और उसमें टॉप डाउन रिसर्च की। टॉप डाउन रिसर्च में बताया कि हमें प्राकृतिक रूप से जिज्ञासु होना, जैसे कि उन्होंने बताया कि हमारे जो प्राचीन विद्वान थे, चरक थे, सुश्रुत थे, पतंजलि थे, आर्यभट्ट थे, इनके पास आधुनिकतम सुविधाएं नहीं थी, लेकिन आधुनिकतम सुविधाओं के न होने के बावजूद भी उन्होंने ज्ञान विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में बहुत कुछ अपना कार्य किया और विश्व आज उनका ऋणी है। क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है, जो अगर 3 ही हम कृतियों को देख लें, चरक की चरक संहिता, पाणिनि की अष्टाध्यायी और पतंजलि का जो योग दर्शन है, और इनको हम लोग हाईलाइट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। हमारे युवा साथी इन पर, जैसे कि अभी मिश्रा जी ने बहुत अच्छा किया, गीता की 2 बातें उन्होंने कही। आज हमारे सभी कॉमर्स के या स्टैटिस्टिक्स के या एजुकेशन के जो रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स बैठे हुए हैं, निश्चित रूप से प्राचीन भारतीय ज्ञान विज्ञान का मंथन करें, चिंतन करें और प्राकृतिक रूप से एक जिज्ञासु बन करके ये उभरें। प्रोफेसर दिवाकर सिंह यादव जी का व्याख्यान बहुत उपयोगी रहा, जिन्होंने थ्योरेटिकल रिसर्च, अप्लाइड रिसर्च पर बहुत अच्छी बात कही। और फिर डॉक्टर शैलेश कौशल जी का, जो यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लखनऊ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिपार्टमेंट से आए थे, उन्होंने नैरेटिव रिसर्च, फिनोमेनोलॉजिकल रिसर्च, सारी चीज़ें बताई। और उन्होंने बताया कि किस प्रकार से भारत में दशांबव प्रणाली की खोज की, शून्य की खोज की, व्याकरण की खोज की, आयुर्वेद के क्षेत्र में आयुर्वेद की खोज की, खगोल विज्ञान और योग विज्ञान क्षेत्र में बहुत कार्य किया। हमको इसमें इसे मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ, नवीन तकनीकी के साथ जोड़ने की आवश्यकता है। प्रोफेसर रवि प्रकाश वर्मा जी का व्याख्यान बहुत ही हमारा उत्तर बहुत उच्च कोटि का व्याख्यान था, जो ABS इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी गाजियाबाद से आए थे। उन्होंने कई बड़े व्यावहारिक उदाहरण दिए। तो थॉमस अल्वा एडिशन का उदाहरण दिया कि किसी भी प्रतिभा को या मेधा को हम कभी नजरअंदाज न करें। निश्चित रूप से किस बच्चे में कौन सी प्रतिभा छुपी हुई है, एडिशन को बताया, उन्होंने क्लास से उनके टीचर ने निकाल दिया था, कहता तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन वो बच्चा लगा रहा अध्ययन में। और आप देखते हैं जो बल्ब जल रहा, लाइट जल रही, सारी चीजें सब उसी की देन है। हमारा एकलव्य का उदाहरण है, द्रोणाचार्य जी ने कहा कि नहीं, तुम्हें मैं अपना शिष्य नहीं बनाऊंगा, लेकिन वो अभ्यास करता रहा और बहुत बड़ा विद्याधारी बना। तो ये चीजें हमें ये बताती हैं कि रिसर्च है क्या। रिसर्च अनवरत प्रयास करते रहने की एक प्रक्रिया है। ये सारी चीजें हमें सुनने को मिली। प्रोफेसर शशि भूषण जी, प्रोफेसर स्टैटिस्टिक्स लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से सारी बातें बताई। डॉक्टर मैडम रितु टंडन जी आई, आकाश के बारे में बताया। डॉक्टर सुभाष कुमार यादव, हाँ, इनकी एक बात बताना मैं भूल रहा था। प्रोफेसर रवि प्रकाश वर्मा जी से एक विद्यार्थी ने, छात्र ने प्रश्न किया, क्या जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंसी आई है, तो क्या एक दिन बिल्कुल टीचर को, शिक्षक को दौड़ से बाहर कर देगी, शिक्षक को बिल्कुल अलग कर देगी? कौन विद्यार्थी था जिसने प्रश्न किया था? बहुत अच्छा प्रश्न था। तो उन्होंने तुरंत जवाब दिया कि नहीं, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंसी कभी भी शिक्षक का स्थान नहीं ले सकती। क्यों? क्योंकि शिक्षक का कार्य मौलिक रूप से चिंतन करना है, इमोशनल होना है और नई नई चीजें सोच करके ज्ञान विज्ञान की नई अवधारणाओं को विकसित करना है। वो चीज उससे नहीं हो सकती। कुल मिलाकर के बहुत सी चीजें देखने में आई। जो चीजें निष्कर्ष के रूप में है वो मैं बता रहा हूँ। 5 बातें मैंने निष्कर्ष निकाला इनसे। पहली बात तो जिज्ञास प्रवृत्ति का रिसर्च स्कॉलर मैं सिर्फ इसलिए कह रहा हूँ, हमारी युवा पीढ़ी बैठी है और युवा पीढ़ी के रूप में भारत का भविष्य बैठा है, देश का भविष्य बैठा है। देश के कोने कोने में जाएंगे। अभी मैडम लेके गई थी HCL, हमने देखा तो हमारे यहाँ के विद्यार्थी वहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे पदों पर अच्छी तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं। तो जिज्ञास प्रवृत्ति का रिसर्च स्कॉलर बनना है। दूसरी बात, ईमानदारी से कार्य करने की आवश्यकता है। तीसरी बात, समयबद्ध और नियमबद्ध होकर कार्य करना है। चौथी बात, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के साथ मानवीय क्षमताओं का भी सार्थक और सुसंगत उपयोग करना है। और अगली बात जो है, जैसे चरक, सुश्रुत, पतंजल, आर्यभट्ट, इनका जो ज्ञान विज्ञान छुपा हुआ है, जिन पर धूल लग रही है, तो हमको उनको झाड़ पहुंच करके देखने की आवश्यकता है और उनसे नए निष्कर्ष निकालने की आवश्यकता है। मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं अपने सबसे महत्वपूर्ण अपने प्रबंधक महोदय और प्राचार्य जी को, जिन्होंने सुंदर सुंदर जो है वो आयोजन को जो है प्रोत्साहित किया। हमारे डॉक्टर राकेश चंद जी, वो तो हमारे कॉलेज की एक अमूल्य निधि है और निधि जी भी हैं, वो भी हमारे कॉलेज तो अमूल्य निधि। निधि जी तो प्रत्यक्ष रूप है, अब यहाँ में कहें लखनऊ में कहें व्यंजना में कहें, कॉलेज की निधि है। डॉक्टर शालिनी लामा जी ने बहुत अच्छा कार्य किया। डॉक्टर राकेश चंद का मार्गदर्शन विभिन्न कार्यक्रमों में मिलता रहता है। वो तो कॉलेज को अगर उनको आधारशिला कहें, कोई अत्युक्ति नहीं होगी। और का जोरदार संख्या से और इसके साथ साथ जो पूरी टीम है, डॉक्टर मनीषा जी, डॉक्टर जो है वो मनीषा जी, गगनदीप जी, श्वेता सिन्हा जी, सबने बहुत अच्छा कार्य किया। जिसका नाम छूट गया हो भाई, बहुत बहुत बधाई, शुभकामनाएं। और जो हमारे बाहर से युवा साथी आए उन सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत साधुवाद।
तो रामकृष्ण अभ्यास के जड़मती होठ सुजान। Well, during the last 6 days, we have had lots of discussions, lots of ordeals, lots of food, lots of tea, lots of samosas. And now is the time to give formal credits. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to AICTE, who chose our college. As you have just told that there are only 2 colleges in UP, IIT and National PC College, who were selected for this Atal research program for this FDP. Secondly, I would like to thank my principal, who readily agreed to extend all his support for this program. Dr. Shalini Lamba and Dr. Nidhi took the responsibility on their shoulders, and in spite of being very sick, Dr. Shalini Lamba has been taking care of everything. The team which has organized this program, which includes all the faculty members, Dr. Shalini Lamba, Dr. Shweta Sinha, Dr. Amit Srivastav, Dr. Mahesh, Dr. Gauravi Shukla, and Dr. Rinku Raheja, Dr. Nidhi, Dr. Manisha, Dr. Gagan, Dr. Suvant, Dr. Sonal, and Dr. Srijan, and our support staff. All of them have really, given their whatever they had during these last 6 days. Not only 6 days, Dr. Shalini Lamba, Dr. Nidhi and their team, so they had been thinking all about these things and trying to organize this workshop in a very successful manner for the last 1 month. See, it is not merely doing things mechanically. The thought goes into it. The very fact that they had given names to the 10 teams in itself shows that they have really done a wonderful job, and they have really spent a lot of time in thinking and organizing these things. So, I would like to thank all the participants also. You people are going to get your certificate directly from AICTE because they have taken the signatures of our organizing team, our principal, and they have taken our logo also. They would be issuing the certificates directly based on your score and your feedback. So maybe in a day or 2 or maybe within 1 week they should be issuing all the certificates, because we'll submit all the documents as soon as possible, and then they would be issuing the certificates. We look forward to getting another workshop which is going to be for 15 days, because they have announced recently that they would be giving this workshop only to those institutions who have done 1 6-day Atal workshop, and the college that is autonomous or NAC grade A or NERF within 100 rankings. So we qualify in all these things. So maybe we'll be organizing another workshop for 50 days. All the best to us. And I look forward to your participation and gain a lot of experience. And we think that we'll be having some more interesting topic which is current, which is relevant, which is going to give more insight into your studies, into your teaching, into your future. So, thank you very much for bearing with us for last 6 days. And now I invite Dr. Manisha to please request the participants and everybody for national anthem.
Thank you for words of encouragement. I hope our coordinators may like to, do you want to say something? Just 1 minute more. I think communication हम लोग बोलते हैं, communication is never complete without feedback. तो feedback coordinators का भी ले लेना.
More than feedback, we just wish to extend our thanks, because the success of the FDP is not due to efforts of 1 person or 2 person or even 10 people. It is all together. All of us have come together and made this entire FDP a success. So we would like to thank a few people.
A special thanks to Principal Sir and Dr. Rakesh Jain Sir for believing in us and giving us this opportunity. We are highly thankful to you, sir.
Thank you, Jain sir. We have troubled you over the past 1 month with our queries, big and small, and we got all our solutions from you. So we are very, very grateful.
Sir was very supportive. He was always a call away. Whether I have troubled him a lot, even at 10 o'clock in the night. Any question used to come in my mind, and I used to call him. And he was so supportive. He always used to take my call and answer to all my queries.
With Jain sir, we would like to mention Dr. Diksha Sharma. She has supported us, and even till today she has been telling us this has to go and this has to be uploaded, because ultimately the success of the FDP is on the portal. Once we upload all the documents, photographs, videos, YouTube links, then AICT will consider it and pass on your certificates. So thank you, Diksha. We will call us after this. Be ready.
We would also take this opportunity to thank the Faculty of Management Studies, Dr. Manisha Khanna, Dr. Gagandeep Chadda, Dr. Suvant Verma, Dr. Sonal Tiwari, Dr. Srajan Kumar Singh,
and the Faculty of Department of Computer Science, Mr. Amit Kumar Srivastava, Mr. Rinku Raheja, Mrs. Shweta Sinha, Mr. Mahesh Tiwari, and Mrs. Gorvi. Thank you so much. Without you, we would not have been able to do anything. So thank you very much.
Special thanks to the entire fraternity of National PG College, with a very, very special thanks to Professor Jyoti Bhargav ma'am for her supportive, for being a supportive evaluator.
She's the HOD of Commerce Department, and she evaluated all your articles and reflective journals.
Dr. Diksha Sharma for evaluating article summary.
A very special thanks to Dr. Amitabha Yadav and Dr. Nishi Rastogi from the Statistics Department. They really helped us in connecting with the resource people whom you all liked so much. So thank you, Amitabha ma'am and Nishi ma'am.
Dr. Neha Shri for helping us with her team in decoration. We can't forget her.
And the entire National PG College fraternity who helped us in a small or a big manner. They all came together and we all worked together like a good well-oiled, greased machine to put together this FDP.
Not to forget my 3 students standing over here. Apart from their test, they had their internal test, but they were so supportive that they were there for the photographs. Thank you so much to all 3 of them.
Thank you, dear students. Thank you.
Not to forget our non-teaching staff, Saurabh, Prashant,
Mr. Santosh Srivastava, Mr. VK from Accounts, Mr. Amrendra Shukla, Mr. Chandra Mohan, Mr. Sanjay Singh, Mr. Ankit. They all have been so supportive.
And of all the employees at the back end who have been very instrumental in making this FDP a success. So a huge round of applause for all the team of National PG College. Thank you so much for your support. Without you people, we wouldn't have made this a success. And the participants.
And in the last, the participants, we were very apprehensive when on a Monday I was looking as to who all are coming and who are the people registering. But धीरे धीरे आप लोग आके हम लोग के साथ आप लोग ने इतना कोऑपरेट किया है. और जब भी हम लोग ने जहाँ पे भी बोला rush to the lab, go for tea, whatever, you all have cooperated so much and you gelled with us in such a manner that I really can't distinguish now that who is a part of National PG College and who is not. So
you became the part of the family. So thank you so much. And we are hoping to see you all soon, as Sir has told, in the next FDP to come. Thank you once again, and I hope we have not missed out on anyone. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
Your time. Just that I would like to congratulate you all, first of all, because you could qualify, and I would like to congratulate the college also, बिकॉज ये पहली बार था जब हम टॉप 250 इंस्टीट्यूशंस में 6 महीने में हमें एक्सेप्टेंस मिली AICTE से BBA BCA कोर्सेज की, और 6 महीने के अंदर ही हम अपनी पहली अटल FDP कर रहे हैं. सो बिग कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ अस. And like Sir said, we are looking forward to organizing the next advanced FDP, whereby top 50 institutions in India will be selected. Hopefully, we'll be there too. Okay, thank you.
Come towards the conclusion of this program. Let us not forget that the real challenge begins now. What we have learned here must translate into our research, our classrooms, our department, and beyond. The landscape of research is constantly evolving, and it is our responsibility to adopt, innovate, and continue to contribute to it. So let's all end this FDP on a happy note, and let's stand up for national anthem.